Hello, travel agents. Welcome to another new video. In this video, we will see how we can create the manual itinerary. So here you can see the manual itinerary button. Just click on it. After that, you will have to enter all details manually. Let's say, for example, trip detail, I'll enter magical Manali. Destination would be Himachal. Total duration would be 3. I'm just creating the short package just to give you the demo. Total traveler, I'll enter 2. Travel date, for example, 25th of December. Pickup location would be Chandigarh and drop location would be Chandigarh. Okay. Now I will enter the day-wise itinerary here. Now, for example, you already have the itinerary, the same itinerary we are going to copy paste here. Okay. So here I already have the itinerary. So day one, I will reach Manali. I'll just copy it and I'll paste here. I'll choose the date, which is like 25th December. Day itinerary, I will enter the day itinerary here. I'll just copy from here and I'll paste here. If you want to enter sightseeing, you can do that as well. You can enter the transfer or weather also. After that, I will add more days. Here, I will enter Manali local sightseeing. The date has got automatically captured. I will just copy the description and I will just paste here. I will add another days. Here, I will do Solang Valley, which is a snow point. After that, I'll just copy this description of the itinerary and paste here. I'll add another more days. I'll just copy Chandigarh drop. I'll copy the description and I'll paste here. So once you are done with this, now you can select the hotels. City, Manali, 25th December would be the check-in and checkout would be 28. Yes, 28. So this is for 3 nights. Hotel name, let's say for example Hotel Meadows. MAB plan, room category would be deluxe. This is the, let's say, four-star hotel. Number of rooms would be 1. You can add more hotels if you want. After that, I will select the vehicles. Let's say sedan, which is like 8 years. Number of vehicle will be 1. I can upload the photo as well. Once I'll enter all these details, I'll just click on create itinerary. Once we do it, our itinerary got created. If you want to make some changes, you can do that as well. After that, we will enter the pricing here. 15,000 per person. There are 2 packs. Discount would be 10%. Guest name would be Mehak. I'll enter the WhatsApp number. It's an optional validity and I'll click on save. After that, I will click on create quotation button. So here it is. This is how you can create the manual code. So you can see this is the sign of the manual code. This is the sign of the AI. This is the sign of AI plus clone. Here we have the search box. If you want to search any quotation from this, you can just click here and you can search by name or destination. Okay. All right. So this is how you can create the quotation manually. And again, all the process would be the same. You can just click on download and reshare it. You can just record the payment. If you want to clone this particular quotation, you can just clone it from here. And you can click on mark sent and accordingly decide the quotation stage. And here you will see the payment status. And here is the comment button where all the discussion can be recorded. So all process would be the same as it is there in the AI itinerary. So thank you so much. This was all about the my code part. I'll see you soon with the next update in the coming videos. Thank you so much.